You turning 62 is really saving us some good money.
I was told not to rush it by my friend Dory, but
No.
it is a benefit.
Yeah, having campsites at 50% off, I'm digging that.
And some are free.
I know.
What is in my pocket? Well, now I want to know. It's like a nail. No, but it bends.
Why don't you put your finger in there and find out?
That's not funny. Oh, you know what it is? Take it out there.
I can't believe you.
Must have been telling me
I
that.
cannot believe you. This morning I'm like, put your things in the garbage. That was so funny.
Guess what else I have?
Smells like living with a senior citizen.
I wasn't sure what was in my pocket. I was like, uh-oh, what did I find? What did I pick up somewhere?
You're carrying around your Q-tips.
A Q-tip.
Oh my gosh, Scott. Sit down and let's get this done.
That's what happens when you become 62. Let me tell you about it. And by the way, hola, Scott and Terry here from Destination Open Road.
Hey everyone.
Hola. Oh, do you want me to keep going? Go ahead and do it over.
Can you let me compose myself for
Okay.
a minute?
Mm-hmm.
Your Q-tip kind of got me all.
Got me too. I was like, what is in my pocket?
Gosh. Hey, DOR crew.
Hola, everyone. Scott and Terry here, Destination Open Road.
Now what do we do? Hey, DOR crew.
Hola, everyone.
Welcome back. And if you're new, thank you for joining us. We have been on, how many weeks have we been on
So far, almost 3
camping
weeks.
trip?
Yes.
3 weeks so far on a camping trip. At the beginning of this video, you guys heard us talking about some passes. Oh, we got some passes that are saving us some
Passes?
money.
I know. Dang it.
I can't show you guys numbers. There's lots of numbers on these things. So Scott turned 62 last year.
Yep, almost a year ago now.
Almost, yeah.
God, I'm going to be 63 in just a little while. Oh, the time flies.
And we had been waiting for him to turn 62 so he could go get his America the Beautiful Senior Pass. Tell him how you did that. And then I think what we'll do is we'll kind of jump back and show you guys a little something when he went to get his pass.
Yeah, so when we were down in Phoenix visiting my sister, happened to be able to go into town and go to a ranger station, and it was really pretty simple. I walked in, I met a gentleman, handed him my money, and he explained how the pass works. I got my America Beautiful Pass. I bought 1 year for $20. So I could have paid $80 and got it for lifetime, but I can do 20, 4 times.
You have to save these.
Yep, you have to, don't
Can't
lose
throw
them.
them away. You have to save them for 4 times or 3 times or 2 times, whichever amount, right, that
You pay.
want to pay up to the $80.
Yep, and after $80, it's lifetime. I don't have to worry about it again, and I haven't gotten my use out of that pass. I think I used it within the first week and got my $20 back.
And $20 works perfect for us. Now, we will have to buy another one coming up if we want to. There's no limit of when we have to purchase it. So we could wait a whole nother year before we went to get the other one. We just have to save this. So we'll put this in the lockbox and we'll wait. So
we'll use it.
Yeah. And then he could always go in and he could pay, the additional $60 and be done with it. But this just works into our budget, especially nowadays with all the high prices and stuff. So that's that. Let me put a little clip in here so that the gentleman can explain to you guys about this. I know a lot of people know about the American Beautiful card, but you might learn something new. So here you go.
And he did a great job explaining all about this pass.
Yeah. So here you go.
I'm here at the Mesa Ranger Station with
Andrew.
And Andrew's going to explain what it takes to get my senior citizen pass. And I'm only doing it for 1 year, which I know I'm going to regret because I think there's a $10 fee every time you redo it. $20 fee.
Yes,
so it's $20 plus $10.
No, only if you do it online, that's the extra $10.
Oh, but if I do it here, it's just 20 each time?
Yes, sir.
Oh, well, there you go. So Andrew is going to explain to
Another
us.
$10 is now for a tip.
Well, he's going to be on video. He's going to know.
going
It.
up
So
fast.
I'm going to let Andrew explain to us what's going on here.
Annual pass for seniors. It will be good until the end of June next year. In the Tonto National Forest, this pass does not authorize use of the motorized boat docks. However, it does get you, being this pass here, into Apache, Bartlett, Canyon, and Saguaro Lakes, including Butcher Jones and all the Salt River sites. If you want to launch a canoe, kayak, paddleboard, tube, something like that, you can do that from the shoreline of any one of these areas. Just can't use the motorized boat launch. Now, it will also get you into every national forest, national park, national monument, national recreation area, national historic battlefield, national wetlands, national drylands, national grasslands, national ball of twine, national bank. Well, not national bank. You have to have money to get into a national bank. But it will get you into any bit of federal land, including Bureau of Land Management, Bureau of Reclamation, and Army Corps of Engineer land until the end of June next year. In our forest, this pass is not vehicle specific, but it is specific to you. So, once you sign this pass, and it must be signed to be valid, this pass is yours and you have to be with it for it to be valid. You can't give it to somebody else and say, here, go have fun. You've got to be with the pass. Anybody in the vehicle gets in with you. If you walk through a gate where they charge per person, up to 3 other adults can get in with you on the same pass. If you go up to Sedona where they look for the Red Rock Pass, show them this and they'll let you in. In our forest, we don't have people manning the gates all the time to check passes, so we ask that you hang it up from your mirror just like this, so that from the inside you see the bird. From the outside, we want to see your signature and the expiration date, which I'm about to punch in there, which again is the end of June next year. If anything happens to this pass, if it becomes lost or stolen, unfortunately you're out $20. We can't do anything about that because we don't keep records on who gets what pass. But it's $20, you can get another one. And if you decide at any point you want to get a lifetime pass, it could be later this afternoon, at least until 4:20. If you come back next week, 5 years after this expires, does not matter. Come back, say you want to trade this in for a lifetime pass, we will take $20 off the lifetime pass. So if you get another $20 pass next year, bring back both of those a year after that, we take $40 off, etc. The lifetime pass is going to cost you $80. Just whether you do it in installments or in one shot is entirely up to you. If anything happens to this pass, if it becomes lost or stolen, as I said, we can't replace that. But if it becomes damaged due to heat of the Arizona sun, it gets warped, if it gets cracked through overuse, if it gets chewed up by a rabid child, it's been known to happen, bring back what remains of the card, not the child, and we will replace that for free. Here endeth the lesson. Any questions?
I just want to say thank you so very much. And thank you to you, young people, for hanging in there while we did that. Thank you, Andrew. And I'm going to take it back out to Terry. Well, hopefully you understand how this pass worked. I think the gentleman did a great job explaining.
We have used this. We went to South Beach Campground in the Olympic National Park. So they make it really easy for you to use your Integrity Pass, which is your America the Beautiful Pass for seniors. Just check yes, and you're good to go. All right, guys, I'm going to walk over here to the registration board while Scott does a few things with the truck. This Integrity Pass for seniors is definitely going to save us some good money. 50% off of each one of our campsites. This just happens to be $20 a night, so it's a pretty good deal for us. You can use this QR code if you want to register. I just prefer to do it this way. The Olympic National Park has gone cashless, so you either have to have a debit card, a check, or you can use this QR code. It's got this upper spot right here. We can see the entire coastline up here, which is really great. It's not your typical campground. It's just one big lot. And that's how it is. Besides the camping that is up along the backside, like that. Okay, it looks like Scotty's all done doing his thing, and I'm ready to go down to the beach. This is a little bit different type of camping. It's just like a big open parking lot, but it works for us for a couple days. Let's go check out the beach. tide's coming in. It's time for us to try to get up over these rocks. And I was just telling Scotty, it's really hard to leave all these treasures on the beach. You see things, and it's I love driftwood, I love all the rocks, but right as I said that, I got myself a heart rock. I have a collection of those. All right, time to head in. It's getting colder, and that tide is gonna be up here pretty soon. Doesn't take long. Didn't take long for that tide to get up here.
It's moving quick. When it starts going, it goes. So.
Yeah. That's the end of our video pretty much. We have 2 more passes here. We have a Discovery Pass, and we have a Senior Citizen off-season pass that Scott was able to get. You do have to be a resident of Washington State.
And old.
And 62 plus. We will explain those in an up-and-coming video of the places that we use these, so you'll want to check back. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We love you guys. Mwah. Thank you.
Later, and thanks for watching.
Yeah, be safe and just be kind.